For a long time, many have said that if the United States is going to deal with this many racial problems, Americans have to learn how to talk to each other about race. We think that the key gap is not learning how to talk, it's learning how to listen. My name is Dr. David Campt, and I'm with the Americans Listen Project. This project will teach people how to listen to other Americans express their views that are important to them without judgment or rebuttal. The purpose of the project is to clarify the key lessons about listening skills and the lessons about how these skills might be spread to create the most impact on our political discourse. Our process. We're going to recruit students and professionals from fields that are based on listening, such as journalism, conflict resolution. We're going to recruit people who do not prefer presidential candidate Donald Trump. We're going to support those listeners in connecting with people of the same race who do support Republican candidate Donald Trump. We're going to support the listeners in creating one-on-one and small group listening sessions where Trump supporters can candidly discuss their feelings about the key factors of their support and how they feel about issues of diversity and demographic change. We're going to have a contest for the journalists involved in the project to produce media about the key factors of Trump support and the role of race within them. We're going to collect extensive notes from everybody involved, from the listeners, about the key factors of Trump support and the challenges they faced in trying to listen in an empathetic way. The products. We're going to have dozens of compelling media products, articles, videos, blogs, vlogs, radio and television programs about Trump supporters' views on race. There'll be a publicly available archive about the underlying themes that drive Trump support. We're going to have a publicly available database about the challenges to empathetic listening. And from the data we collect, we're going to create video, workshops, brochures, and curricula and other products that are designed to help people become more effective listeners. Our public engagement strategy. In October, November, and December, we're going to place news stories about our army of listeners out there listening across party lines and pitch those as contrasting with your typical election season conflict stories. In late January, we'll post all of our submissions for our contest online and promote our People's Choice Award, where the general public will select which of these submissions are most worthy of recognition, and we'll drive the traffic from that contest to our emerging set of materials about the keys to listening. In March, we'll have convened our expert panel of journalists for the Civic Journalism Awards, and that'll be another media hit where we can promote the idea of listening. We need help from you and other people that you might know who think it's time to rejuvenate American political discourse with more listening to create new and better conversations about politics and race. The election is here. There's a lot of work to do. Much of the work has happened, but there's much work to be done. We want to get the word out immediately to facilitators, mediators, and journalists so we can get started. We thank you so much for your interest in rejuvenating our democracy, and above all, thanks for listening.